Hi everybody, welcome to our weekend weather update courtesy of Country TV. And look at these pictures coming in from the snow around the South Island. Great photo here, came into the Weather Watch Facebook page this morning. Thank you very much, Brent. Snow falling around South Otago, trying to milk the cows, a bit rough for you, eh? Look at the cows and all the tracks through the snow. You don't see that too often at a North Island dairy farm, so great photo sent in. Thank you very much, Brent. All right, let's take a look and see what is going on this weekend. We've got these big southerlies blowing around at the moment and it's dropping the temperatures. But as you know, Weather Watch has been saying it's an early spring. Just because we've got snow falling doesn't mean that suddenly the daffodils aren't out and the lambs and calves aren't being born. So we actually go back to warmer weather on Sunday. But before that, we've still got more of these cold southerlies. This was the satellite map taken on Friday and you can see all the snow showers around the South Island heading towards the North Island, which get it for Friday night and early Saturday morning above about 300 metres. So let's take a look at the rain maps, and apologies, we normally have the widescreen ones, but we've got a few issues with Google Earth today, so we can't show you the big widescreen ones. But here we go. You can still see the showers blowing up the eastern side of the country. This is the low that's helping drive in these southerlies. So things dry out around the South Island. High pressure over here. That's why you don't see any of the pinks and purples where the showers are. So it's drying out for the west coast, drying out for Southland. The snow flurries disappear, and now come the heavy frosts. Central Otago dropping down to maybe -5. And when you wake up on Saturday morning. Sunday, you start to see the nor'westers coming back and that will lift the temperatures up. So Dunedin, you've had snow on Friday to sea level, but by the time you get to Sunday, you're going for a high of 14 with mostly sunny weather. That's why Weather Watch is calling this early spring, because in winter it just stays cold. So we're getting all these warmer wind events coming through, and the warm nor'westers will build up around Sunday around the South Island. The North Island's got high pressure, calmer there for you, much drier, the chance of frosts on Sunday morning. Now by Monday, the warmer weather moves into the North Island, so you're back to the mid to upper teens in many areas, mostly sunny with high pressure around you. Wellington and Wairarapa, you'll get to see that northerly wind building. But around the South Island, you've got big strong nor'westers and the rain heavy again. A chance for a rain warning maybe around the west coast. I think wind warnings probably below damaging threshold, but a warning might be issued or a watch. So that's one to be aware of. And behind it, southwesterly winds, which means by the end of Monday, winter comes back again for those in the deep south. Gets a bit cold again for another day, but don't worry, not as bad as the wintry blast we've just seen. And then by Tuesday, you see more of these rain showers. Period of rain for Northland. Now Northland, of course, has had flood events just recently. We've been watching this one for a couple of weeks. We think it looks like a fairly standard band of rain. Does have a bit of subtropical connection, but it's mostly a southwest driven rain band, so it's not going to be overly warm. It'll pass by there with maybe a few hours of rain and hopefully not too much in the way of any serious problems. That is all for me. Don't forget you can catch us at weatherwatch.co.nz across the weekend. We're going to be tracking this cold southerly. Otherwise, we'll catch you again on Monday.